or to our media friends if you have questions to our panelists. How does Live Aid's A Laugh Story, how do you guys think itong installment na ito ng Live Aid's, it will deepen the connection between Live Aid's and the communities that we serve, reinforcing humor as a vital tool for storytelling and unity. Okay, from the production side naman, how do you think that works out for you guys? Especially, again, I'm also part of the production team. How do we make sure that that story is told on the back end?
We ensure na lahat talaga napapakinggan. And yun na nga, so since yung sa Mascom itself, it's like a microcosm of everything happening in our society right now. So what we really try to do is really listen sa lahat ng maraming generations na nakakadaupang palad namin sa org. And a huge part of our legacy is yung mentorship. So it's because of their mentors na nakakapag-stage pa rin kami hanggang ngayon. Even if we're trying to balance our academic life and of course our org life. So it's really because of the mentorship and the wisdom from people that came before us that we are able to adapt to the times, to evolve, and to continuously connect with the people in the community. Since kahit sila din naman natututo rin from us. So it's like a relationship na we learn from each other, we listen to each other, and we also try to help them adapt din sa kung ano na ba talaga yung humor ngayon, ano na yung politically correct ngayon. Kasi of course, hindi naman same kung ano yung humorous before na politically correct pa rin sa kung ano yung tama ngayon. So it's really all about sa mismong org, we connect with each other and we listen to each other. And because we are so diverse and we are filled with colorful personalities, we are able to reflect din kung ano ba yung nangyayari sa realities ng isa't isa.
I just want to say that, well, yes, we are celebrating our 50-year legacy from 1974 until now. I just want to highlight also the current members of the organization, the resident members as we aptly call them. Because nakakaloka for someone like me from batch 2005 meeting these students, ang talented nila, ang gagaling nila, they know how to use whatever is given to them, ang gagaling nila mag-edit, ang gagaling nila magsulat, umarte. And I think part of celebrating our 50th anniversary is highlighting the resident members who will take us to the next 50 years of the organization. Kaya ang galing talaga ng mga bata, and that is also what we wish to highlight, the future of Samascom.
Yeah, the legacy, the legacy of UP Samascom. That's why we want to make sure that that it continues. Para year in, year out, we will still have Live Aids for everyone who needs to hear what we need to say. All right. So I think we have a question from the press. Please.